Hey there, welcome back guys. This video is for those that have trouble with their DJI mic and it's not showing up inside the little canister thing and you're like, wait, where is it? It's not there. It's like, it's gone. Actually, it's right here. It's gone. I mean, not gone, gone in a sense where you just can't see the visuals, right? And so anyway, this short little clip slash video, we're going to show you how to bring it all back so that you can be in sync and see it when you want to see it and not see it when you don't want to see it. Come, let's get started. Let's have a look right here. All right. So on that note and moving forward. So, oh, actually, wait. I can't. Hold on one second. Press record here. Yeah, as you can see, I can't do it because the mic's over here. And the mic's over here. So the audio is going to sound a little bit different, but I'll show you how because I'll have to disconnect everything and then we'll just troubleshoot from there and then voila. Okay, 3, 2, 1. So basically the reason why it's not connecting, as you can see here, you're like, wait, where are my mics? Because they're in Bluetooth. They actually have to be disconnected from Bluetooth, as you can see. Bluetooth right there. And then what you're going to do is you're going to hold down this button right here, the orange or reddish button, and hold it until that turns green. See? Now, when I put it in, there's mic 1 or mic 2, however they're numbered. Hold this down. Right? Well, this is auto record, so shut that off. And then hold this down. Right? See it turn green. Now, the reason why you can't see it is because you probably have the yellow. So to avoid the yellow, so that turns green like that. Now, when you press it, it actually makes the sound better. All right. So that's it. That's how you. And the audio, of course, on this is not. It's going to sound different because I'm not using the mics. But that's it. That's your solution. Ciao. And we'll see you all next time. Kind of neat, huh? As easy as 1, 2, 3. It drove me crazy in the beginning. I was like, wait, what's wrong? Where's my mic? And I thought it was a glitch. It's not really a glitch. You just have to take it out of Bluetooth and then put it in the other mode. Once it's green, you're good to go. And when it's blue, you're a no-go. All right. So why it does that, I don't know, because I'd always want to see my battery levels, know how much is left before I take it out. You know, like so. Maybe DJI will push a solution in the next update. Anyway, I hope this video helped you. If you have any comments or questions, feel free to leave them down below or ideas for other videos. Remember to like and subscribe, and I'll see you all next time.